knee drill. Performing a triple extension on your standing leg, raise your opposite knee towards your opposite elbow. Keep your lifted foot pointing upwards. The B drill. The A drill would now extend the knee when you kick forward. Acceleration and deceleration. Jogging forward with an easy pace. Stop in the athletic pause, square knees, square shoulders. And back pedal out of the position. Side shuffle and stick. Shuffle sideways, planting your outside leg with your knee over your ankle. Front skip. Triple extend through one leg, lifting the toe off the floor as you do.